Welcome to my review and demonstration of the Shark Cordless Anti-Hair Wrap DuoClean and Flexology Cordless Cleaner. At the time of recording, I picked this up from Amazon for £325 in the January sales. I'll leave a link in the description box below if you're interested. This model comes with two batteries. The model is IZ251UK. The cleaner itself comes with a 5-year guarantee and the batteries come with a 2-year guarantee. I'll take everything out of the box, assemble it, and then of course do a demonstration as well. Remember, if you find this video useful, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to watch more reviews. Okay, on with the video. Paperwork, a quick start guide and a instruction manual, an upholstery tool. It's got 2 litre pickers there. They do angle as well. Dusting brush, a nice length crevice tool. That's really good to get in between the car seats. This is a new tool, I haven't seen this before. This is to do the top of your drawers. That's soft, they're all soft, so you won't scratch anything. And this angles as well. A bag to carry them all in with some Shark branding. The charger, of course I'm in the UK, that's why mine's a 3-pin one. 2 batteries, each battery gives you a 40-minute runtime, but that depends on the setting that you're using it on, of course. These light up blue. And Shark recommend before using the cleaner, charge the batteries fully, which will take around 3.5 hours, and then let the battery completely run out and then charge it. That will condition the battery. The charging base, it's got suction cups there, so really good if you put it on there. Look, it doesn't move. There are 3 ways of charging the battery. One, of course, charging both the batteries in here, or you can only charge one if you want. And the charger would go on back there. The batteries would only go in one way, like so. The other way of charging the battery is by itself. You just put the charger in there and you could leave it on charge, or you could charge the battery while it's on the main body, and of course the charger would go on there. The flexology wand, it's got that button there. Push that and it folds. Push it again, you can straighten it. And the tools fit directly at the end of the wand. It's a click fit system. It's got the button there for when you put the main unit on, and to remove it you'd push that. The main unit, I'll put the battery in first. The wider part would go at the bottom. I turned it on there accidentally. And to remove the battery, push this and remove it. At the top, it's got a button there. That does not control the suction. That just controls whether you're doing hard floor or carpet. So the first one is hard floor and the second one is carpet. That there is the boost button. It says there as well. Pull for max power. So you pull that if you've got a heavy traffic area or you've got a lot of mess. The front of the cleaner, the tools can be fitted directly on there. So to remove it, just push that and it's removed. You could put the head directly there as well if you want to do your stairs with the main head, and it will really deep clean your carpets. Wand goes on there as well. Some branding on this side. On this side, it's showing the max line there for the bin. And to empty it, you just push that down. All the dirt would come out. It's got this mesh shroud there. Make sure to keep that clean. Of course, you might get dirt caught around there. On this side, that button there, if you push that, it would remove the bin. There are 2 filters here that need washing once a month. That's a felt filter, that's a foam filter. You are able to pick up spares from Amazon or Shark themselves. Make sure they're completely dry once you wash them and then put them back in. There's 1 filter in there and that would need washing once a year. You just pull that out. You can see there. That would only go in one way. To put the bin back, you could see it's got a cutout there, and there's a cutout there as well. It's got a seal in there. Locks into place. It's got a bit of rubber there. The main flow nozzle has some rubber protection there, so if you do hit into your baseboards, they won't get scratched. LED lights. Over there, this lights up green when it's working fine. If anything gets stuck in it, it will go red. Of course, the parts would fit on top of here, and that's the button to remove them. This roller can be removed to clean. You can see on the side there, it's got an eject button. If you push that, you'll be able to remove the roller, wash it in warm water, make sure it's completely dry, and then put it back in. It says front there. Of course, it would only fit in one way. 2 felt wheels, the actual anti-hair up brush bar, that's a strip, and then the bristles there, they're quite stiff then. When you've got it on the first setting, the brush bar spins slower, so it doesn't scratch your wooden floors, and when you've got it on the second setting, it will spin faster. A felt strip there. These here, you could see it's got a little lock off and lock on symbol on all three. Get a coin or a screwdriver, open that, this part will remove. So if you're looking for blockages, check there, and you'll be able to gain access to the brush bar's belt as well. 2 wheels at the back. I do like these wheels. Assembly is straightforward. Put the wand in first. Clicks into place. The main body just clicks into place. And assembly is complete. Of course, like this, it won't stand up by itself. Push the button there. There you go. It will stand up by itself now. Look how small it's gone now. It'll be perfect to fit in a cupboard, that. I've put down some green tea, some Oreos. I could not get a hold of any hair. I've put down some string. I know string's thicker than hair, but that's the best I could do. Okay, let's give it a go. I will be doing this on the first setting, of course, because I'm on hard flow. It's picked everything up in its path. Just a closer look at the brush bar. It did not wrap any of the string up. It's taken it straight into the actual bin. I like this flexology feature. It's really good to get under low furniture. We've got a chair here. All I do is I push that button, bend it like that. Over to the carpet now, same thing. The Oreos, I've crushed them because they were too big to get into the actual cleaner. So I've crushed them, green tea and the string again. This time I'm going to be putting on the second setting. The brush roller will spin faster because of course we're on the carpet. Just look at the bin, it's picked everything up. It's got the string, the Oreos, green tea, and some of the loose fabric that was on the carpet. It's picked everything up. That's the end of my demonstration of the Shark cordless cleaner with flexology. Overall, I'm really happy with this cleaner. If you've been around my channel before, you must have seen my shark cleaner reviews. If you haven't, I'll leave a link in the description box below and a pop-up card. I really like the DuoClean brush because I've got little kiddies and they make a lot of mess, and that's really good at picking larger particles up, and included the anti-hair wrap technology. For some people it works, for some people it doesn't. Touch wood, for me it's okay. I suppose if you've got pets that shed a lot of hair, maybe some hair will get caught up, but for me it's been okay. 5 years guarantee on the cleaner, 2 years on the battery is a plus for me. This model comes with 2 batteries. That's really good because I don't run out halfway through. Because when I use other cleaners that only have 1 battery, at the back of my mind it's there, will the battery last the full clean? Because the last thing you want to do is be cleaning and then the battery runs out. Well, I don't like that anyway. I'll leave a link in the description box below if you want to pick this up. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video.